Is our chance of success greater if we write a business plan?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
The SWOT analysis, I think. What us as the owners are good at, that didn't change, but I think the environment changed. So what the demands were was very different.
And what's available
What we thought,
to us in Vietnam, what makes manufacturing here easy for us. We don't want to make it too hard, and that we can become like a really high-end factory for our customers and produce the best possible products. So looking at what is available here, and ensuring that we have a really good flow with all of that and the supply chain. For us as well, business plan, like doing a SWOT analysis on our competitors or other companies that are doing similar things to us was really important. So it gave us an opportunity to really look at that and forge a real niche of the services we can provide and how we can make ourselves different. So that's really important too. The research aspect of your business plan, I think, is really important, so you can see what's out there and make sure that you are unique and are offering something different.
Most brands don't write business plans because it's so exciting when you come up with an idea, and now it's so easy to just jump on social media and start doing business, and people don't take the time to write it down, or they just don't see the need for it. But as your brand grows and your business grows and you start thinking about asking for investors' money, if you go to an investor without a business plan, they're just gonna laugh at you and say, we'll come back when you've got the business plan. So what's been your experience with going back and revisiting your current business plan and adjusting it for investors?
For example, the first investor, I want to talk to him because he is very strong. He has store, and then he has experience on marketing. So that's very good for me to convince him to join. Then we start to look at the business plan, how we do it, how many collections per years, how to sell, the target price, everything. So that helps us to get a point where we go, and then to think about should we work together or not.
Cool. Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a fashion startup consultant based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. My passion is working with energetic startups to prepare them to meet investors. Together, we write your business plan, create your tech packs, fill in your quantity breakdown list, and finalize your quality control checklist. Then I take you to the Vietnamese sewing factories to get a price quote and get samples made. Get started by reading my ebooks or listening to them on audio. When you're ready, hire me and I will ease your fears and give you an action plan to realize your garment production dreams. Let's work together in Vietnam.